Hello everyone, this is Jingo and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. Meron po kasing mga nagtatanong, probably nakalimutan na nila on how to create a Facebook page kasi palaging nagbabago yung procedure o yung interface ni Facebook. Now, bakit po ba kailangan merong Facebook page? Well, Facebook page is the only channel where you can showcase your product or service. Ito po yung business page na tinatawag din. So, ito yung ginagamit natin para makapag-advertise tayo. Yung mga sponsored ads po natin, ang bearer po niyan ay yung ating page. So, you can only create or you can only launch a Facebook ads when you have a Facebook page. Iyan po ay isa lang sa purpose ng Facebook page. The main purpose ng Facebook page is to create a community. Katulad din ng groups, no? Kasi Facebook is considered a community. Parang sariling bansa na nga siya. Para na siyang isang nation. We only have 105 million, 110 million people in the Philippines, or there are only 110 Filipinos, while in Facebook, there are 2.7 billion users all over the world. So, para na siyang sariling nasyon. Now, because of that, Facebook is trying to keep that status symbol na sila ay community rin. Okay? So, if you create a Facebook page, you are also a minuscule of the whole part of Facebook as a community. You are creating your own community. Now, ano-ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin? Yung Facebook page po natin, hindi katulad dati, it's not even a really big thing. Pero ngayon po, napakahalaga na ng trato ni Facebook sa pages and groups. Dahil nga ito ay community, ang gusto niya po, ang mga tao mag-stay sa Facebook. Yung Facebook wants people to spend more time on the platform. That's why you need to nurture your followers, you need to engage your followers, and you need to entertain your followers. So, kailangan yung Facebook page nyo at yung group nyo is nurturing. People are growing inside the group. They are engaging with each other or engaging with your post. And people are being entertained. Kaya yung iba, ang lakas-lakas nila because they are video creators. Kasi nga po, entertaining yon, di ba? And also, pag meron kayong Facebook page, you don't only post things about your business. You also need to post memes or quotes, mga inspirational quotes or funny videos para nag-i-engage po yung tao. Meron silang nilalike, meron silang kinokomentan, meron silang sinishare. And that is how the Facebook algorithm favors your page. Ang gagawin niya po, it will be shown to more people. It will be recommended because this page is engaging and entertaining. So, makikita po yan ng iba. While, if your page is not as entertaining as the rest of the others, your page will not be recommended. Less and less people will be seeing your page. Hindi na siya nirekomenda, ultimong yung mga followers niya pa, hindi rin yan po nakikita. Because Facebook is not putting it on top of the list or on top of the rack. So, kung palagi siyang nasa ilalim, hindi yan mapapansin ng ating mga followers, mismong followers natin. Hindi rin po yan mapapansin. So, what you need to do is keep on posting. The least amount of posts that you can do is at least 3 times a week. Okay? 3 times a week. Napakahalaga po niyan. And as much as possible, if you can do 3 or more a day, mas okay. Pero make sure naman po that your posts are engaging, shareable, and entertaining. Okay? Alright. So, now, para gumawa ng page, ganito po. On that plus sign right here on the top right corner. Kiklik nyo lang yan. And then, click sa page. Leave natin ito. Alright, there you go. And then, let's say for example, sabihin natin healthy habits. Okay. So, healthy habits. Ang category nito, lagay natin personal blog. Okay, personal blog. Kung meron po kayo naiisip na keyword kung anong category yung inyong itatayong page or bubuuin na page, i-type nyo po yung first 3 words at magsasuggest na ito. Okay? So, pag nagsuggest yan, piliin nyo na lang po yung para sa inyo. So, ito personal blog. And then, mamaya ko na siya lalagyan ng description. Lagay na lang muna natin na healthy habits. Ano lang yan? Para hindi siya empty. No? And then, create page. Okay, so naka-create na tayo. Now, gusto niya, mag-add tayo ng profile picture. O, kunyari, mag-upload tayo ng food or whatever kasi healthy habits. So, mag-upload tayo ng something that is related to the page. So, hanap tayo. Photos. Okay, kunyari ito. Kunyari lang po, Okay. Alright, so meron na tayong profile picture and then mag-add tayo ng cover photo. So, ito na lang sa cover photo. Okay, so you can use this portion kung gusto niyo siyang ayusin at iayos yung kanyang position, pwede po niyong galawin dito sa left na to, no? Diyan. Pag hindi niyo gusto palitan niyo, click niyo lang to. But this one, it's only a demo, so just click save. Alright. Alright. So, pag nag-comment po kayo dito or nag-post ang lilitaw, healthy habits. So, itong button na to, depende sa depende sa business niyo kung anong gusto niyo button. Gusto niyo mag-message ang tao sa inyo, gusto niyo i-follow kayo, gusto niyo i-like kayo, gusto niyo kontakin kayo, whatever. Pag click niyo yan, andito yung mga options. So, ayan, start order, view, send message, contact us. Ang gagawin ko dito is follow. Ito na lang ang i-click ko. So, magiging follow ito. So, dito, pag nag-interact kayo sa page na to, pwede kayong mamili kung ano ang lalabas na username nyo, kung healthy habits o yung mismong profile name ninyo. So, okay. Now, gagawin naman natin is gagawa tayo ng username. Tingnan natin kung meron ng healthy habits o wala pa. So, meron na daw. Lagay ko PH. Meron na rin. Lagyan natin ng period. Ayaw niya. So, meron na silang kutakot-takot na name. Healthy habits. Healthy habits by Jingo. Lagay natin. Baka naman wala na niya. Alright. So, create username. Okay. Oops. Cancel na lang natin. Pwede naman natin gawin later, no? Pero parang andito na. Okay, so that's it. Refresh natin para makita natin if we already secured the name. So, wala pa. Okay, later we can do that again. So, you can do it later or you can do it right away. Depende po sa inyo. And then, tapusin nyo ito. Itong mga nandito. You need to finish this para kumpleto yung steps na kailangan nyo i-take. So that's it. Yun lang po ang paggawa ng page. This is Jingo. Yung mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa page ko, please do so. And if you have questions, just comment down. Ask nyo lang po and I will try my best para sagutin yan. And of course, share. That's it, and I will appreciate it very much. I'll see you next video.
Whoa, oh, oh.